Uday and Parth's love story is like any other. They met at school, fell in love, and built their life together in Delhi over 17 years. But as a gay couple in India, their relationship was considered a crime until the Supreme Court decriminalized homosexuality in 2018. Despite this landmark judgment, their relationship still has no legal recognition.
The right to marriage would significantly improve our lives. It would significantly help our lives as a couple. But we certainly see that it creates a conversation in the minds of people around us and would create a confidence in the minds of other young gay people.
Without legal recognition of their relationship, they cannot do ordinary tasks that most heterosexual couples take for granted, such as opening a joint bank account or making medical decisions for each other. Uday and Parth are one of the 4 gay couples who have filed petitions asking the Supreme Court to recognize same-sex marriages. So far, the governing BJP has not given an official stance on legalizing same-sex marriages. But more than a few members of the ruling party openly oppose any change in the law. Activists hope that the court will force India to follow the example of countries where such marriages are legal. Malvika Rajkotia specializes in family law and says that barring the LGBTQ community from marriage violates their right to equality.
Right to marry is a fundamental right. And if the present structure of the marriage does not recognize same-sex marriage, then it violates the Constitution.
But Malvika's view is not shared by more conservative elements of Indian society. On the outskirts of Delhi, the right-wing Hindu organization Hindu Raksha Dal is getting ready for protests if this law gets passed. Today, they are meeting to discuss strategies to oppose same-sex marriage. They say it's not part of the Hindu culture.
Our organization raided hotels where we found same-sex couples making love. We stopped them and got them arrested. Why should we encourage something that is not part of our culture? We investigated the matters and sent these couples behind bars.
Despite the challenges their community faces, Uday and Parth remain optimistic. They say the petitions have brought the issue into focus in a country where LGBTQ identity is still largely a taboo.